Hello everyone, it's Andy from the ITapprentice.com. Today we're diving into a game-changing approach for setting up your coding projects. Whether you're working on Python, JavaScript, or any other language, you can use PowerShell and AI to create your project files and folders quickly. So let's get started on that. For PowerShell to create a more detailed code structure, fill out our template, then paste it back into ChatGPT. This will generate a code structure more in line with your project. Here's a template that I filled out for a project that I've been working on lately for a Selenium web bot. I've specified fields such as libraries and frameworks to use, and more specifically the purpose, which is what ChatGPT will use to understand what you need and generate your code and stuff. Additional details are in there to get as much as we can and a much more extensive code base. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the prompt here. Go over to ChatGPT and open a new chat thread. So let's do that. Paste it in. Sit back and wait a moment while that took some time, but it's going to save you a lot more time in the future. So ChatGPT is now finished. Here's the results. It's generated some services for the application. Here we are. Some features. Broke it all down for us, and here's the full project directory structure. I'm going to turn to the other template now that I've filled out again. You'll find that in the video description. I'm going to paste this back into ChatGPT now to get the PowerShell script to get the project going. Let's get that in there. So again, we'll have to sit and wait for this to spit this back out. Shouldn't take too long. Or maybe it will. I'm not going to pause the video this time round. Let's go through the utilities views. Here we go. And now it's creating some of the code to spit into the files. Again, this is just a template, so most of it will be placeholder logic, which you'll have to go back again and spit into ChatGPT and get the code for. So anyway, let's get the PowerShell script into Visual Studio and create those files. Let's maximize this window here. In my example folder, I've already got a PS1 file for files. I'm just going to paste that in there. Project root. Let's make sure my project root variable's set. Oops. Help if I put the right thing in. So I'm going to put in the example folder. Save that and run again. Take a look at the output, see if we've got any errors. Looks like it's got no issues there. In the right hand panel, we can see all the files and folders being created. There's the controllers, the models, and services, static files. Oh, nothing's been created in there just yet, but we can get back to that and have a look, see what code's been created. So I actually started to create a bit of Selenium code service there for us. In future videos, I think I'll cover going through some of this stuff, so keep tuned on that. So again,